children all the time. Top brands including Drools. Awesome. Great choice of a brand ambassador, I must say. But she's so cute and she seems so affectionate. It just seems like three beautiful pets and a Drool brand ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to please see if she's here. I'm very excited to welcome our special guest this evening, the wonderful and glamorous Bollywood star. Hi, Disha. Hi, how are you? We've all been waiting for you eagerly. Well, she's a fitness enthusiast, like I said, a pet mom to three beautiful pets and a Drool brand ambassador, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a warm welcome to the beautiful and gorgeous Disha Patni. Please have a seat, Disha. I would request Dr. Shashank, the National Sales Director, to please welcome her with a small token. And then if you could please come on stage and give a few words to us. Disha, I would please request you to come here and say a couple of words for everyone. And be rest assured, I'm vaccinated, huh? So all safe on the stage.
Hi everyone. So happy to be here and very excited, very honored to finally meet the Drool's dream team. Drool's is a brand that I really, really like because I feel like they genuinely care about animals and pets. And as a pet mother, I really trust them and I feel like not only their food is nutritious, but it's also very tasty and my pets love it, so yeah. Thank you so much for having me and I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely time here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for such kind words. This is not a part of my script, but I really need to know this, and I'm sure everybody's wondering the same. How do you look so beautiful and fit? No. Well, the figure is yours, so I mean, can we please clap for how amazing she looks always. And I promise you, everyone is dying to say that to her, right? And can I speak on everyone's behalf? Yeah. She's cute, stunning, gorgeous, fit. Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much for your kind words. Disha, since you are here right now, and I know you're running late, you have a busy day, absolutely understandable. But I quickly want to just ask you a couple of questions. Well, you've had 2-year associations with Drool, right? What about the brand makes it so special for you? Should I give you a mic 1 second? Because we don't want her to keep walking more and she'll lose more calories like that. What makes the brand so special for you?
Well, as I said, Drool's genuinely care about animals and also the fact that they're committed to great causes like the one today that we are here for. I just love the way my pets feel when they eat it. They feel healthy and they feel like they're eating something really tasty. So I'm really glad to be a part of it. And I love animals, so nothing better than that.
Well, you can tell, right? The animals enjoying it. It's funny how you can tell.
Yes, you can see that.
Yeah, same here. Even I can. Well, what do you normally feed your pet? Is it only Drools or anything else?
Drools, sometimes ice cream.
No way.
Once a week when I cheat, I also give them some ice cream, rice, veggies. I mix it up.
Your kind of diet, basically. Diet food, huh?
Kind of.
Fit
kind
dogs.
Of, kind of, but they do get their cheat meals too.
All right. Well, do you have any kind of advice that you'd want to give to the pet parents here?
Well, I think just give them love and be patient. I mean, sometimes they could be hard to handle. I have 4 animals at home, so I feel like I have a mini zoo. But yeah, the outcome, the rewards are insane. Like the way they love you, it's insane. So yeah, just be patient and just keep loving them.
It's again not a part of my script, but I'm curious to know which 4 dogs do you have?
I have 2 dogs and 2 cats.
Okay.
Yeah, they're just
Awesome.
adorable and naughty.
Awesome. All right. Well, now I'd like to turn my attention to some people who've been waiting very excitedly to meet Disha. Drools ran a contest where the participants had to answer 3 questions about Disha and Drools. Out of the many entries that we received, we chose 3 lucky winners. Sorry to the others. who are here with us today. I would like to call upon stage Rukshar Khan, Chirag Jain, and Vedant to please come up on stage. We might have a bit of a crowd, if that's okay with all of you. Please give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, Disha, I'd like you to please give out hampers to them. We would like to congratulate all three winners. I hope that your pets will be excited to get these goodies. I think one of them wanted to give you a gift also. You want to give it to her now or later? All right. I'm curious to see what this is. Congratulations. You wanted to give something? It's very special. She loves it. I like how you already know that she loves a gift.
Can you just guess this character? Madara Uchiha.
So cute. That is so sweet. Thank you. That was a very sweet gesture. Well done. Others, don't feel bad that you didn't get her a gift. You can always send her later. We'll give you the address. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you and congratulations. I'm sure your pets are going to be very excited about the goodies that they won. Well, just a bit of diverting to a bit of a serious chat here, where Drools has always been involved in the welfare of stray animals, as you all know, and making sure that they are treated and fed well. And today we have one of the NGOs who has been very actively supporting for a long time, feeding these stray animals, Yoda Foundation. Yoda is a youth organization that's been working towards animal welfare since 2010. They rescue, they rehabilitate dogs, cats, small animals, and even birds. I would please like to call upon stage Pooja Sakpal, the founder of Yoda, and come and accept a very special donation from Drools. Thank you so much. Thank you, Disha. Thank you, Drools. That's really, really sweet gesture where I can speak on my behalf. That's a really sweet gesture. I'm sure this will help to benefit the cute animals, the strays, and prevent them from going hungry. Very, very, very sweet. Well, we know that you're running late, like I mentioned before, but we cannot let you leave without saying a couple of words. Something to all the people who've come here to join you. I know you did a welcome speech, but this is kind of your closing speech because you have to run. If you could just be kind enough and just wrap up your side for everyone else.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's such a pleasure to meet everyone, people working behind who are actually the real stars. I would like to thank Mr. Fahim Sultan for all his hard work and for creating a brand, Drools, which we can trust as pet owners. Also, as I said before, that a brand that is committed to good causes like feeding stray dogs. So thank you so much for everything. Congratulations to the winners, and I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely, lovely time. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. We have a gift hamper for you from Drools, please.
Thank you. I'm getting so many gifts today.
Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, please put our hands together for this show. All right, one last round of applause for Disha Patni for joining us here today and taking out special time for us. It was wonderful to have you. We're going to have you head for the photo op and the PR interactions, and the rest of you can stay here. Thank you once again. Thank you. Bye.
So good to see you, Disha.
Same here.
Tell us your association with the brand, as you said inside also, but want to know.
It's been 2 years, and Drools is a brand that I love. I love animals, and it's a brand that I trust for my animals. They make yummy food, and it's very healthy as well.
What would be your advice to the people, the strays who they are in local localities, how can they help strays, especially in
People?
the pandemic time?
I think just basic things, feed food, give water, or give shelter, especially in Mumbai where it rains so much. Um, that's about it, and just most importantly, give them love. I think that's something they need. If you feel you find an injured animal, stray animal, you can always call an NGO and ask them for medical help. I think basic stuff.
Disha, what are the three things you look into, whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
3 things.
You look into,
I don't think so much. I just feel like it's a brand that I can resonate with. That's the only thing.
somebody like Disha,
Coming to a brand like Drew's, and for the pet category, such a big celebrity coming was a great achievement for the brand itself. But first, before celebrity, she was a pet mother. That's what we looked into hardcore. That they should know, since having a pet is a different all-time experience actually. You cannot have the same. You talk to a guy with a non-pet and a pet owner, different worlds you'll find there. And that's what she connected well with us actually.
Okay, Disha, what happened on the professional front?
I'm shooting for a film called Ek Villain currently. Hopefully, with lockdown situation, we'll be able to shoot soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Next.